So in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest, cheapest way to be able to scrape leads for your outbound business, your channel, anything that you're looking to do with outbound leads. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Alex, and I show people the cheapest and most effective way to be able to get and book calls for your business without having to spend so much money on all of these tools. So let's begin here. First thing you want to do is just build out your lead list in Apollo, be able to filter out exactly what you're looking for, go to department, management level, the people that you want to reach to, location, employee size, B2B market, as well as anything specific that fits your intent. If you want to be even more specific, go to ChatGPT, type in everything about your ICP and tell them to provide you keywords that you can be able to put in about the industry, or even specific keywords that you can go into with everything. So I can show you here, go into advanced settings, any kind of keywords that you want to be able to mention as well. So once you have that list, you're able to see your total TAM. You'll go to this search bar right here, just simply copy it. And then you can go into something like Ample Leads. There's also a lot of these different ones where you can be able to go into Ample Leads here and be able to book out exactly everything that you're looking for. So type in or enter in the Apollo URL that you have, the amount of leads that you want. You can do anything from 100 to 50,000. And then you can just simply name what your list is going to be, start scraping. Then it takes about 24 to 48 hours. But then once you do that, you can see from when you've started the request. Once the request is done, you could simply just go to export, download it as a CSV, and then you have your CSV for outreach. But we're going to go the extra step, extra mile, and be able to ensure that these are qualified leads. So we're going to then take that lead list, put it into Million Verifier, which is simply taking the CSV, dragging it into this area right here, and then being able to enrich what those emails are, whether they're good, bad, or catch-all. So what it would look like is something like this. So for B2B SaaS Info Tech, you can see here that out of all my leads, 11,000 of them were confirmed good. 3,500 of them were risky. That's when you can go to a site like Enrichly if you want to be able to do further enrichment on that. And then 901, by any means, do not email these. These are bad leads. So the reason we do this is because if I didn't do this, 901 of my emails would have been bounced right away, which means my email deliverability is going to be incredibly hurt. It's going to hurt my domain. It's going to hurt my inbox. And overall, it's going to maybe lead to me having to buy more domains, more inboxes down the line. Might take a couple weeks and take time away from the outreach that I have to do. So this is a measurement that, although some people consider it an extra, I feel like it's a very necessary step to take before being able to put your leads into an outbound campaign on something like Smart Lead or Instantly. I personally prefer Smart Lead. And then once you have that, you just download all the good emails or even the good and risky emails, and you put them into your sending tool like Smart Lead. So this is really the most effective way. Find the leads here, scrape them here, and verify them here. That's very simple, exact way to do it. That's exactly what I'm teaching here on this page, is just telling you the exact methods to have the most cost-effective outbound campaign, most cost-effective cold email agency, lead generation agency that you can have possibly to make money online, whether it's by yourself or with the team. So if you're looking or interested in how you can be able to do this for yourself, I have a link below that shows you the exact step-by-step that we teach here for lead generation mastery. So thank you very much and hope you enjoy this video as well as anything else that you want to learn about. Check out the other videos as well.